Hey, you got an aftermarket, fiberglass body kit. How perfect do you want it to be? What is going on, guys? The body kit, as you guys can see, is on the car. I am really excited today. Today's a very special day. I've been wanting to put this on the car for a long time, and I finally got it on the car. As you can see, the tape is still on there, which the glue is not fully dried yet, so it's gonna stay in there for the next couple of days, just to make sure everything is secured. And once that is off, then next thing is to get the DC coilovers, which is coming soon. I gotta get the calipers painted as well. And but you know what, let me go ahead and give you guys a tour so you guys can take a look at it, and you guys can let me know what you think. So the kit is finally on, and once again, guys, this is not the original HFP body kit. This is the aftermarket, and it requires a little bit of a modification to get it to fit. So if you know a really good body shop, when you have the aftermarket HFP body kit, it's good to take it to somebody who knows what they're doing. If it was the original Honda HFP body kit, guys, it would have been a direct plug and play, just some tape, and then you should be good to go, right? But so this is what it looks like. There's a couple of imperfections on there. I'm gonna see if I can go in a little bit closer so that you guys can have a look and judge for yourself. But overall, it is looking good. Couple of things that I don't like about it. This side, as you can see, it's got a crack right there. And if I go over to the other side, just to give you guys a better understanding of what I'm talking about, see right here, it's got a kink. It's not flush. Little stuff like that. I'm gonna give you guys a close up and a nice walk around so you guys can see what the fitment's like. It's a little bit of a gap right here. See, look at that, I just pushed on it, and that, maybe a little bit of glue would kind of help to secure that, but overall, not looking too bad. Once again, imperfection right here, as you can see, whoever it is that did the paint job on it, I bought it, it was already painted. And then right here, it's got a nice crack. That was actually on it before I took it to the guy to get him to install it. And but it got a little bit worse because this part of it, guys, was sticking out probably about an inch. So he probably had to, I'm not sure how he did it because this is fiberglass. He probably had to heat it up and whatever he has to do. And with him doing that, I mean, this cracked a little bit further. But that is minor. I can get that fixed, no problem. But the fact that this is flush against the bumper is really, really cool compared to what it looks like before. So I'm thinking once I take the tape off, that should be good. Now move on over to the other side. The other side is looking pretty good, but if you look in here, it's got like a little bit of a gap right in here. Right here is flush, just a small little gap, but that's looking really, really good. Let's do this side. This side's got a little bit of a gap right here, but once again, probably he should have probably put some tape right here to hold it in while the glue's drying. That's minor. Little stuff like that I'm not too concerned about, right? Because those are like easy fix. And so that's what it looks like. So there you guys have it. HFP body kit is finally on the car, and I am really, really pleased with it. Overall, what do you guys think? Does it look good? Okay, you guys, I actually cut that video short a little bit because I wanted to actually wait a few days so I can get the tape off the car so you can actually see the full effect of this HFP body kit that is on the car. So this is what it looks like without the tape on there. Just gonna do a quick walk around just so you guys can see. pull back from it a little bit, give you a wide angle view. Then I'm going to get a little bit up close and personal because now the tape's off. You guys can actually get to see all the defects that's in there. That's that side. And that's the other side. I'm actually liking it, even though I know that it is not perfect, you guys. So now that the tape is off, I'll come in a little bit closer and show you guys. That's got a little bit of a gap there, nothing major. And then here's that little kink I was telling you about. That's what it looks like. It's got some defects in the molding itself. So that this side is looking a lot better than the other side. I'll just move around a little bit so you guys can see, and I'll go in a little bit. And as you can see, there's a little bit of a gap right here, and there's one right here as well. Now, compared to what the kit looks like before he put it on, I'm still thankful that he was able to make it even look this good, because I mean, when you put the kit on there, it was not lining up, and it was just like the gap was just not looking good at all. But he worked his magic, and it's looking a lot better. Let's look at this side right here. As you can see, there's a little gap right there. Right here is flush. There's a little gap right here. There's a little gap right there. But overall, just looking at it from a distance, you guys, it doesn't look that bad. Now, once again, this is the carbon fiber HFP kit. Is not the original Honda kit, so you know, you can't expect perfection. You know, gotta work with what he had, and I think he did a great job. So yeah, so overall, I mean, I'm not super pleased with it, but it's acceptable compared to what it actually looks like before he put it on. I'm going to back out a little bit now. I'm on an angle right here, so see if I can go in the car and allow you guys to see from the front. Let me just go in and I'll back out the car a little bit. I'm just gonna see if I can use one foot to do that without. Okay. Let's see how that works. Nobody's behind me. I don't recommend you guys doing this. Okay, and that's it. Take it out of reverse, emergency brake up, and I can shut it off. Okay, now let's continue the tour. Yeah, so I'll walk around to the front and pull away from it so you guys can actually see what it looks like. So that's what it looks like without the tape on there. It's not the best, but it's acceptable. Like I said, especially with what I was working with. That's what she looks like. Rims are really dirty because I just rinsed the car just so that I can record this video for you guys because it was raining a few days ago, and so it's got watermarks all over it. So just like a little wash, just to clean it up a little bit so I can have this video. So there you guys go. This is the new look with the HFP body kit. A couple of more mods to go. Got to get the HFP trunk lip. I've been looking for that and I can't find it. So if you guys know where I can find that, you know, go ahead and let me know, because I think it looks really amazing, and this is just gonna really complement the trunk of the car. So if you know where I can find the HFP trunk lip, go ahead and let me know. one more quick walk around. So once again, you guys can go ahead and let me know what you guys think about the car. I think it looks really, really good. But what say you guys? It's my car, so I'm gonna say it looks good. You know, but like I said, you know, I like constructive criticism. So if you guys like it, you guys can go ahead and let me know. And if you don't, let me know as well. You know, it's all good. I mean, would you done this to your car? You know, so I am really, really pleased, you know, because of the fact that when I first tried this kit on the car before I had it installed, I mean, it didn't really line up as I was expecting. But then again, I realized, you know what, hey, you got an aftermarket, you know, I mean, fiberglass body kit. How perfect do you want it to be, right? It's not going to be stock, but you know what, it's looking really, really good. And like I said, if you go to a good body shop and they know what they're doing, then they're gonna get it done right. It's gonna look like this, guys. I am really, really liking it, and I am pleased with it. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. I mean, wow, what can I say? You know, next thing I gotta do is I'm gonna see if I can change the muffler. I want to do I'm not sure if I want to do a resonator delete, you know what I mean, but like, I don't want the car to be too loud. I want, you know what I mean, just a little bit of a deeper sound. You guys get what I'm saying? A little bit deeper sound, but not too loud, you know. But yeah, so there you guys have it. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. And as always, you know, go out, love one another, get to know God, trust Him, and live. Peace.